Hello guys, what the blessing name who was most merciful and most beneficial. Our today new tutorial on the Google account is about the payment and subscriptions. What is the payment methods and subscription? If you see here is the multiple options, payment methods, manage payment methods. How can we manage our payment methods? So we have to click on the manage payment methods. As soon as I click on payment methods, you can see as the option for subscription and services, and next to it is the payment method, and then is the addresses, and finally is the option for settings of the payment methods. Here I can do all the settings for my payment method. You can see here these are my payment information. So going on the side and clicking on subscription and services, here you will see that no active subscriber, you will be able to manage your active subscription here. Okay, now if you click on the payment methods, you will see here the payment methods. So I click on payment method and add a new payment method here. Now can I add a new payment method here? When you are ready, save as click payment methods. What payment method do you want to add a payment method, add credit or debit. Okay, credit details. First of all, card number, and if you want to select your any kind, MasterCard, Visa card, okay, click on Master, Visa, anything, or Union Pay. So you have to click on your payment information, and then finally you have to click on save. As soon as you click on save, your payment information will be saved here, and you can perform your other settings. Then here is the addresses, and as there is the address for pin application, so add new address. As I want to new address, so I click on my first name. First of all, you have to select your country. For example, I want to add the amount. Here is the first name. For example, okay, first, sorry, I perform my first name. Okay, and after that, here is the address line one. Okay, and there is a 97. So for it, 97 M, and address line two near mosque Belzar Medina. Okay, there is my okay. And then there is a postal code. You have to perform your postal code. What postal code I have to perform? You have to perform a true postal code here. The postal code is always the 6 digit I provide here. Now here you have to provide the town or city. For example, okay. After that, the town and city. For example, I perform here. After that, town or city. For example, okay, and I select my country, and now here town or city, I select again here. Sorry, spelling mistake. Okay, and now you have to just click on save. As soon as you click on save, your all the settings, your payment information will be saved. Okay, click on save. Now you can see my tool. Okay, this can be changed in settings. We move to settings, and we will change it. We are going to settings. Here you can see I can update all and manage payment user, and all the settings can be updated here. So goodbye for today. If you find my video informative, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.